Very good morning, guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Another week, another Sunday. Today's vlog was not supposed to be done. Today's vlog is all about my car because my car is dead. Okay, morning I had come just to start and take it down because it's Sunday. So Sundays I usually park it down actually, because I have to go to the church or somewhere or the other. I was supposed to go somewhere else first, but then I had to go to the church also. So I thought I'll take my car out, just go to that place. I'll park it, then after it, in the afternoon I have to go to the church as always on Sundays. So I came, but go to see the battery is completely dead. I am not very sure as what happened. Usually it has auto cut off, auto on and on, but today I don't know what really happened. It's not starting, but yes, I can go inside, I can come outside. Okay, instrument cluster and all starts. Okay, but the battery is dead. So what I'll do is I'll just show it to y'all. Okay, how it starts and all. So let me just show it actually. Okay, so this is the battery. Okay, little bit dirty over here since I didn't wash the engine bay, but there would be some issue with this. Okay, so let's see. Now if I unlock the vehicle, yes, so it's already unlocked already. Yeah, that's a very nice thing. Okay, so see, now there's a small light coming. Okay, and it's a push start system, so I have to press the brake and see, completely blank. It's not starting, but yes, the instrument cluster is starting, the infotainment is starting, but okay, see, everything is starting over here. Okay, but all the warning lights are come now. It's saying electric brake parking problem. I thought it would be because of this, but let's put off this now. It should be off. Okay, so let's start once again. No, see, it's not starting, so it's better that we put off the vehicle. Okay, so let's just put it off. Let's just bring the hood also down. So it's getting like locked and unlocked. The instrument is starting, but the engine is not starting. So either the problem is with the battery or problem with something else, some electrical fault or something. So down over there now, there is a petrol pump, if you can see. Yeah, that is a sorry about it. So there is a petrol pump over there. There is Enoch, and inside Enoch na, there are this small service station also. Auto Pro. Usually they have their own in-house only. So what I will do is I will just go over there and I will just check, okay, if we can get some help from there. So I'm not really sure, but let's go and see over there. Okay, yes, I just went to Auto Pro and came. So they're saying that the vehicle has to be over there in the fuel station, not over here. Okay, so they are not ready to come over here since they also can't come outside. Okay, so not very sure now what will be done. So I will just see and I will get back to you. Okay, so not very sure how things will be. First time battery issue. But let's hope for the best. Welcome back, guys. So it's the evening now. I went to the church and I came because I couldn't stop. Okay, I have to go and come. Whatever work was there, done. So I bought this jumper cable now. Okay, it's because I didn't have it. So let's try to jump start the vehicle. I'm not very sure if it might start or no, because it is locking and unlocking. So the battery is low. There is no issue with the car or the alternator. Hope so. Okay, so let's try to jump start now. So let's wait for someone. I don't know who will come, who is the messiah today for me. So let's wait. Okay, so make sure that you have such a kind of booster cable. It will just cost around 15 to 20 dirhams. You can get it in any supermarket and all. I just bought it from day to day. So let's wait for someone and then let's start the vehicle and take it outside also. Okay. Yes, so finally guys, the car has started. कोई फरिश्ता मिल गया. Okay, he had just come to take his car. So I just requested, just give me a charge from your battery. So we started it and finally it got started. It was not starting even after connecting the batteries and terminals. It took some time, so I guess the battery is completely drained out. Even if you see na, if I'm taking this down, okay, अभी थोड़ा सा fast है. Otherwise this was very slow. Okay, it went slow, so slow that I guess the battery is completely dead. Okay, so there is no problem with the alternator or something else. It's just the battery issue. So abhi let's see. I will just see. Now I'm going for a small drive also because I didn't drive it. Okay, so I will just drive and I will just see, observe this week as to how the car performs. If at all we need to change the battery, then we have to change the battery. Okay, or else let's see. Okay, Bhagwan bharose abhi hota hai. I guess the main culprit is the infotainment. Okay, because I guess it remained on or something, but I don't know what really went wrong because it has auto cut off actually. And the thing is that this car fully runs on electronics only. Okay, so a lot of electronics. Even the brake was so hard, because it was not starting. Even the electric parking brake was completely freezed. Okay, so you can't use anything if the car doesn't start. Okay, so let's take the car out for a spin, and then next weekend I will meet you all directly, because as you know, I don't take the vehicle out for my office and all, because we have company transport. So I simply spend money on fuel, right? Because I'm staying very far away. So anyways, maybe on a Wednesday or something I will come and try once again. So we'll just go for a small drive now. We'll just have some water, chai, something, and then I will come back. It's already 5:15 now. Okay, I was waiting since 4:30, but Bhagwan ने सुन लिया. Okay, so thank you to the guy. Okay, he was from India only, from Ahmedabad. Okay, so हमारे गुजराती भाई ने मुझे आज help कर लिया. Nice person. Okay, he didn't say anything. Okay, car is also full, but battery is low, I guess. So I don't see any kind of battery warning and all, but let's hope for the best. Okay, but I will not put off the battery now, to the vehicle now, because if at all I put off the vehicle, then it will be another issue for me. Okay, so let's just take for a drive, for a spin, and then maybe next weekend we'll go to Sharjah or wherever we get a good deal and we'll change the battery. So goodbye. Very good evening guys, and welcome back to another vlog. I hope you are all doing well. So almost after a week I'm meeting you all. Okay, last week as I told you all, I will try and come and start the vehicle, but no, I didn't get time. बिल्कुल time नहीं मिला. So busy in that, and of course I don't take the car out for office and all. It remains over here only. So today it's Saturday. I had one work here in recess. So I took the bus. I went and I came, because I had to finish that work by today morning only. So I just came and it's very hot outside, so the umbrella. Just had lunch now and I'm come. So today let's go to Sharjah. Let's change the battery. Okay, we'll buy a new battery for our car. Not really sure if it opens or no. I really don't know. Maybe it could start or it could not also. Okay, so let's hope for the best. Okay, let's see who we can meet today to start the vehicle. Okay, it's almost around 3 o'clock now. So let's see how it goes, and then let's go towards Sharjah.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand.
So as you have seen, car is not starting. Now we'll try to start the car with the jumper. Okay, I guess there is a car down over there, so I'll just try to get the help. Okay, and then let's fly. Okay, directly. Okay भाई लोग, कोई तो मिल गया. इधर MG लेकर आया था. So we'll just start with the vehicle. हाँ. Okay guys, so finally one mission accomplished. गाड़ी start हो गई. Okay, so it starts within the first two starts only. Took some time, but it started. Okay, so the battery is completely dead. Okay, it's not a starter problem, battery problem. Okay, so now let's drive towards Sharjah. Okay, अभी गाड़ी सीधा शारजा में ही बंद होगी, otherwise definitely not going to go. Okay, so let's head towards Sharjah. It's almost around 3:15 now. Took me like 15 minutes, so कोई ना कोई मिल ही गया, and definitely it's very very hot. So please do not forget your umbrellas while you are going outside, otherwise you will get baked in this sun. Okay, so let's drive towards Sharjah now.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk.
Okay guys, so finally came back from Sharjah also. It was very crowded today since it's the Saturday weekend, so a lot of people fly to Sharjah. And secondly, Sharjah has mostly offices and stores and all off on Fridays, so that's the reason most of the businesses they work on Saturdays and Sundays, and also it's like very crowded. So finally I have changed the battery. This is the bill. Okay, and the name of the shop is Tariq Al Mashriq. I got it for around 315 dirhams. Okay, if you can see over here, 315 dirhams, 18 months warranty, that means around 1.5 years. And this is the warranty cards. Okay, so I have inserted the Amaron battery. Okay, Amaron, it's from India. Okay, it's number one in the battery segment. Okay, so Amaron batteries, even my dad had told me, okay, use Amaron only, and even my uncle and whoever has to recommend, mostly they say use Amaron only. Okay, so this is the number one brand. Okay, and I have just put some shots and all over here because it was a no paid parking zone, and I was just hoping that there wouldn't be any fines and all which could come on my vehicle. Okay, because till date I have not got any fine. Okay, not even one fine, so I don't want to get any fines and all. Okay, simply why I have to spend money now. Anyways, okay, so finally battery also is done, 18 months warranty, and billing also is there. Okay, so now no more problem of starting the vehicle. Okay, I hope this battery works. The main issue was that this vehicle doesn't go out much. Okay, remains here only, just twice a week it goes out, Saturdays and Sundays, and sometimes on the week I take it to the office if I'm late and all. So apart from that, it's like here only, mostly in the parking lot. Okay, so this was the battery part. So make sure that you have a jumper cable. Okay, always in your car, no matter your car is new, old, whatever it is, make sure that you have a jumper cable. And secondly, now the battery which was there, it was a stock battery. Okay, it's been almost like 8 years now, 8.5 years since the battery is running, and it was running. Okay, so Honda's reliability. Okay, they show their reliability in batteries also. Okay, of course, very long time now, but finally vehicle is also in a good condition. Okay, slowly we are also trying to get back on track. Okay, so that was it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you like me all the videos that I'm uploading. Not much videos now, but slowly trying to come on track. Okay, but as and all, we'll try to focus more on such kind of vlogs as well. So thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, take care, and love you lots.